This is the Flamingo shower commode. It's very comfortable and it comes in 4 different sizes, so it covers our littlies all the way up to larger teenagers. It's height adjustable and it also has tilt and angle adjustability, which is fantastic. So it allows children to get a really good position for accessing for personal hygiene and also for showering, hair care, that sort of thing. It's really versatile piece of equipment, so it can be used as a shower commode with a pan, or the height adjustability means that it can also be used over the toilet. Comes with lots of different accessories. You can get a headrest for support, swing away laterals. There's some width adjustability with it using an inlay. These are all these are all removable, so can easily be cleaned and are very comfortable. There's adjustability as well in leg length for the foot plates, and comes with removable splash guard and other options that are available. It's also really versatile because the Flamingo seat itself detaches from the base, so it can be used on the standard frame, which has height adjustability, or it can be on the high-low base, which has a hydraulic high-low function, so it's really easily adjusted with the client in the shower commode. It can also be removed, and you could have sucker feet on the bottom, so it can be used in the bath, or using a toilet frame, it can be fitted directly to a toilet, or it can be put on a potty frame, so for our littlies that are doing potty training. So it's a super versatile bit of equipment.